Well, hi, Beanie. You look so beautiful today. Hello, everybody. Beanie's sitting in my lap again. There he is. You see how pretty he is? He's molting. So he's been grumpy and tender. He squeaks when he's preening his wings. And those little pin feathers hurt. So that's just the way molting is sometimes. But he's looking very beautiful. Mommy gives Beanie a birdie vitamin every other day because he doesn't get any sunshine. So I got to make sure he gets vitamin D and A and everything. Oh, he's so pretty when he preens. Oh, yeah. Look at my pretty bird. Yeah. Cute pink feet. Pretty white and gray feathers. Yeah. Yeah, here's Richard making the dog food. He gets excited at the noise. He's scratching. Oh, what a cutie you are. Yeah. Okay, we'll say goodbye to everybody now, huh? We'll say we love you, everyone. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Yeah, bye-bye. We love you all.